Just thought I'd add a little extra. When I have the bikes out, I always, I'm going to just back up. I always make sure I carry tools with me for any kind of trailside repair that I can foresee. Foreseeing rotten tubes wasn't one of the repairs that I thought I'd have. I have this wrench here. It's a Park. This is all Park tools. I have this little wrench here that fits just about everything on here. I keep some extra chain links just in case I break a chain. I can pop a couple chain links loose, replace it. So of course I got a chain breaker. And I have once again, Park tools. I have a little spoke tool that I can use for any trailside repairs, and this little stick-on patch kit. Now you saw these earlier. These are my tire tools. I didn't have to always use, but now I do because, well, I'm old, gimpy, and pathetic. But they fit together. And it all goes in this little pouch. They used to say Park tools on it. These go in here. Put my chain links in there too. Turn those around so they fit better. My chain tool has its own little home right there. These two have a little pocket that they fit in up here. Okay. This tool fits right in there. In there. Then this wraps up like that and goes under my seat. I also, in here, I carry a little crescent wrench. Heavy duty, chrome vanadium, 6-inch Franklin Foundry crescent wrench. So it's not just some cheap joint. In fact, I think it's an antique, but it's a nice little wrench. In case I come across somebody that's riding a Huffy or something. Nothing wrong with Huffies. I don't want to hear it. Anything that gets people out and riding, that's a good thing. Not everybody's going to go out and build themselves a bike out of top of the line components. Back when I built this, I was young and making some good money, and basically I could afford it. Once again, no kickstands on my bike, no reflectors, no lights, no nothing. But now that I'm a little older and a little calmer, okay, that'll fit. I also have my tire pressure gauge that lives right back in here too. And everything is squeezed in tight so it doesn't rattle around or bump around or drive me nuts in any way. Hard parts fit it all back together. Let it go. And zipper goes across. I said zipper goes across. Maybe I got that upside down. There we go. And I have my little pack full of tools there. And my pump. And like I said, this pump converts from a Presta valve to a Schrader valve. This comes apart, and you flip a few components around, and you could use it on a Schrader. But since I got Presta valves, that's the way I leave it. And that fits on my frame. right next to my water bottle holder. With a little Velcro strap. Yeah. And one thing that I do sometimes, knock a lamp over. I've got this quick release rack with a bag on it, and it's got my little tail light. So if we're out in the dark, I can switch my little tail light on. It's insulated, so we can put a picnic lunch in there, a couple beers, down the trail we go. And it does have a quick release on it. I don't put it on there. Actually, if we're going to go out, my wife and I, if we're going to go out for a day of riding and stop somewhere for a little picnic or something, we'll go ahead and load it up, put it on the back of Frankenbike. But it's got a quick release on it, so that makes it handy. When I was a bike tour mechanic, this is all loaded up with tools and stuff. Tools, first aid kit. I wasn't the official first aid guy, but you know, good idea to keep first aid kit. And I got a cable lock with the bottle opener, just in case we get some beer along the way and they're not twist off tops. Got to be prepared. See, is there anything else in there? Oh, I got some change in there. But that's my setup. I guess that's about it then. Oh, I got lizard skin on this one. I'm about to knock that lamp over. I better sign this thing off before I tear the house down. I went ahead and put it on. I'm being optimistic. I'm hoping for a nice picnic out on the trail, just me and my wife. You know, whoever passes by, hey, how's it going? What's happening? Oh, I'm so looking forward to spring. Well, the bikes are ready for it. Frankenbike. He's ready for it. So all we need is for the weather to cooperate now.